Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, both renewed. The Breville Oracle Touch and the Jura S8. What do you think?
Oh, interesting. Both are pretty high-end. The Breville boasts a third-wave specialty coffee-at-home experience.
Yeah, it mentions a dual boiler for simultaneous extraction and steaming, which sounds pretty fancy. And it grinds, doses, and tamps automatically.
The Jura S8 also grinds automatically using what they call an Aroma G3 grinder. They claim it's super fast and preserves the aroma. Plus, it has a pulse extraction process, or PEP, for better espresso.
Okay, so both handle the grinding and extraction well. The Breville highlights its touchscreen operation and personalization. You can save up to 8 custom coffee settings.
The Jura also has a touchscreen. It's a 4.3-inch color display, and it lets you choose from 15 specialties with just a touch. It also seems pretty user-friendly, guiding you through the whole process.
The Breville is quite a bit heavier at 37.3 pounds compared to the Jura's 22.1 pounds. It's also a bit bigger overall.
Good point. Size and weight could be a factor depending on counter space. The Jura is more compact, so that might be preferable for some people.
What about milk frothing? The Breville has an automatic microfoam milk texturing wand. It's self-cleaning too.
The Jura has a fine foam frother, specifically for milk-based drinks. They say it creates really fine textured foam for lattes and such.
Okay, so both are aiming for barista quality milk. What about the overall rating? The Breville has a shockingly low rating of 2.5 based on only 2 ratings. And the Jura has a 3.4, which is still not stellar, from 8 ratings.
Yeah, those ratings are definitely something to consider. It looks like the Breville reviews mention issues with the renewed condition. I definitely read those carefully. The Jura's reviews are limited, but at least it's a bit better. Both are renewed, so there is that to consider.
True, and the Breville seems to be currently unavailable, while the Jura has limited stock. It's a tough call. Maybe look at other machines. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.